Ooh, so your luggage broke? Don't worry, that's totally okay. I'm here to help you fix it. If your handle isn't moving up and down properly or that little button on your handle is giving you trouble, you're in the right place. I've got you covered. Grab a couple of simple tools, bring your suitcase over, and follow along with me step by step. Together, we're gonna take that broken suitcase and turn it back into something you can use with confidence. On suitcases, specifically the one that I fixed, it was slightly different. As we open up this luggage, you can see the inside framework. Now this is quite similar to the luggage that you've seen me use before. However, the way in which I was able to fix this, or I'm going to be able to fix this, you won't need to use any Allen wrenches. You'll want to identify these two little spots here. These are actually triggering the suitcase to go up and down. So you want to make sure that there's nothing stopping them from doing so. Now I will show you how to get the handles to go up. Now, as you can see, I'm going to try to push these in and try to show you at the same time the handle go up. When both of these buttons are pushed in and you can no longer see, the handle will be able to go up. So it's just me doing this today, so okay. You're going to keep your eye there. You're going to push this one in. As you can't see it right now. And we're going to show you how the handle goes up. Now, as you can see, it's kind of stuck because it's still being re-engaged. So we don't want that to happen. That's when the WD-40 is going to come in handy, because it seems like the issue is on this left side. It gets stuck. And as you can see, the handle goes up again. Now it seems like it's this side too. Once that side is held in, you can see your handle will go up. And that's fully engaged. In this portion of the video, we have to take off the handle to get to the metal rods that are hidden beneath them. So take whatever screw you can for whatever screws that you have and just pop this off. And as soon as you do that, you should be able to find them or see them. So if you saw me earlier trying to take this apart off of here, you saw that this right here, you saw I had little issues on this side. Well, after watching this wonderful video that I will link in the comments below, where she showed me how to fix luggage, you can tell that this side is very smooth, and that's why we didn't have any issues with it. This one, if you can kind of see, it's kind of rough. So what she suggested was to file this down a little bit. We're just trying to make sure that this is getting a little bit smoother and not so hard. I didn't have, I forget what you call it, but I'm just using this to try to smoothen it out. This can also cause issues with your button here. So smoothing that out, I think we should be all set there. When we place these back in, they're gonna go in the holes, if you can kind of see them, all the way down there. And that's how you'll get these to go back onto the suitcase. This back in here. This here. Together, because it seems as though we have gone ahead and fixed the problem. We didn't have to take it out, which is super awesome because that would have been very time consuming. So we're gonna bring the suitcase closer. As you can see, put these back in, and just for the sake of it, I'm gonna put some WD-40 in there. So we're gonna get that back in that hole there. I can't see this now. Let's get it. It's in the hole. Okay. In here. Get the screws. If the only problem that you're having with your luggage is that the handle is not going up and down and that's it, this is where you would stop. But unfortunately, I would find out that this luggage actually had a broken button. And the button I speak of is that middle part that you press. When I found that out, I had to fix it. So once you fix this button and continue with the other parts that I showed you, your luggage should be fixed. If your button is working fine, you're done watching this video. But if it's broken, keep watching. For further investigation of looking at these holes that connect to making this thing here move, I noticed that they don't move properly. That this one is connected with this one right here. You can see it sits further back. So we're gonna have to open this up and connect them so that they move as one and not as two separate entities. Alright, we've removed the holes. Let's open her up. So don't forget about these screws. Make sure you take those out. Here we have this open, and you can see right here how this is not attached and broken. So we're gonna try to fix this, attach it here, and hopefully it should work. Took that out, and you can see how this is fully connected. So here are the glue substances that we have. This is pretty good. I wouldn't say this is that great, but this E600, we're gonna use this to secure it, and we'll do that now. In this process, we're just putting a glue on the broken portion of it, and then we're going to attach it to the side that is already complete. We're gonna push this together and let this sit overnight, and then we'll get back to it. We have all the pieces together. This finished drying here overnight, as you can see, with the E6000. So I put this on wrong, so apparently it's supposed to go in like this, right? And then the top goes on like this through the holes so that this part can work properly. Now what we're going to do is secure these holes you can see in there with these screws, and then put the rest of the screws in here and then here. Then attach it to the luggage, and we should have a fixed luggage. So stay tuned and keep watching. You can see after the work, we have the screw in there, and the screw in there, and now we have this working, functioning properly. We're gonna go ahead and put the screws into these locations. Oh, sorry. These 4 screws in, and then we're gonna, the next portion will be attaching this to the luggage. So let's get her done. Since this is taking a little bit of a time, I want to just talk to you guys and see, like, is this the type of content you like? What type of luggage do you think I should do next? Are you guys more interested in organizing of clothing for trips? Let me know if this was helpful. Let me know what you would like to see in the future. I mean, maybe in the future you guys can like send me your luggage and I can try to figure out how to fix it. I don't know, maybe that's a bad idea. Alright, we have the screws in there, and there's 4 screws there, and we have our little guy here, and he is functioning properly. The next step now is to go ahead and attach this to the luggage. Yay! With our last 2 screws that go here. Now we are set to put this little guy on here. So watch as we do this. Okay, so we have this done. And we want to make sure that we put it in this way. So push this button down. Pull these out. So that's how you fix your luggage handle when it's stuck or when that little button isn't working the way it should. I know it can feel frustrating when you're getting ready to travel and something as simple as your suitcase handle decides not to cooperate. But with a little bit of time and persistence, you can get it back in working order. And honestly, that's the beauty of taking a moment to repair instead of replace. In a world where we are encouraged to buy new things, it feels good to slow down and realize that fixing is not only possible, but it's rewarding. I really appreciate you spending these few minutes with me. Thank you for watching, for learning, and for being a part of this little community. If this video has helped you, please share it with someone else who might be struggling with their luggage too. Sharing makes a huge difference and helps more people see that these everyday fixes aren't scary. They're actually pretty doable once you give them a try. I love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments what you would like for me to cover next. Your suggestions help me shape the content, and I want this channel to feel like a place where we're all learning together. So don't forget to follow along if you haven't already, and keep coming back for more. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for being a part of this journey, and until next time, bye!